Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys what I love putting in my smoothies and acai bowls. It's this BetterBody Foods organic super seeds. Now, I used to buy my chia seeds, my flax seeds, and hemp seeds separately, and I discovered that you could actually buy them all together. So, like I said, I love putting them on my acai bowls, and I recently started adding them to my smoothies. So I love that this is a great way to, add some healthy fats and protein and get your omega-3 through these seeds. So let me show you guys what they look like. So this is what they look like. And so they are pretty much tasteless, but they just are adding so much good ingredients to your food. And that's why I love eating these. And these come in this resealable package, so to maintain its freshness, and they are just a great addition to adding to my healthy meals. So I highly recommend these if you haven't tried them, and that's my point of view.